It's about time. Time to turn the past into the present. Time to create the world's fastest airliner, optimized for speed, safety, and sustainability. Time to make flying, flying. Meet the refined design. Overture. Sculpted for speed and safety. Engineered for a sustainable future. It's about time to enter a new era of supersonic travel. Time to turn the future into the present. It's about time. Boom. Supersonic.